The idea is to not get lost as soon as you arrive in Paris. How the French alphabet can help you with that? Well, you may have to spell your name if you make a reservation in a restaurant or in a hotel, for example. Also, once you arrive in Paris, I'm pretty sure that the first thing you want to do is to go straight to your hotel to rest a little bit. You may need to spell the name of the hotel so your taxi driver gets you at the right place. In this lesson, I will introduce the French alphabet and also I will give you tips to spell fast. I will pronounce the 26 letters of the French alphabet and I will associate with each letter the name of a fruit, a vegetable, or a grain that start with the same letter. On commence. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Comme means like. Now I will pronounce the 26 letters of the French alphabet and I will associate the name of a fruit, a vegetable, or a grain that start with the same letter. A comme abricot. B comme banane. C comme carotte. D comme date. E comme échalote. F comme figue. G comme goyave. H comme haricot. I comme igname. J comme jus de fruits. K comme kiwi. L comme litchi. M comme maïs. N comme nectarine. O comme orange. P comme pêche. Q comme quinoa. R comme radis. S comme salsifis. T comme tomate. U comme ultra délicieux. V comme vanille. W comme wasabi. X comme extrême chocolat. Y comme yuzu. Z comme zeste de citron. Here are the French vowels. Les voyelles. A, E, I, O, U, Y. On continue. Tip to start spelling fast. Learn group of letters that have the same sound. On commence avec ce premier groupe de lettres. Premier groupe de lettres. You will hear the sound E, like in me in English, for example. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. and you will have to practice to say that very fast. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. On continue avec le deuxième groupe de lettres. This time you will hear the sound E. F, L, M, N, R, S. F, L, M, N, R, S. F, L, M, N, R, S. Troisième groupe de lettres. This time you will hear the sound I. I, J, Y, X. I, J, Y, X. I, J, Y, X. Quatrième groupe de lettres. This time you will hear the sound A. A. A, H, K. A, H, K. Quick review, tips to spell fast. So you have 4 groups of letters and you will have to practice and repeat all those group of letters so you can start spelling very fast. Let me go over them again. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. F, L, M, N, R, S. I, J, Y, X. A, H, K. Voilà pour l'alphabet français.